Hello, my name is Abhishek Ghosh, and the course is 6320 Software Engineering in Web-Based Systems. Project is Project R1, and it is fully functional. This is the place where my code is hosted right now. It's on GitHub. I'll be also attaching a zip version of the code. Here is the screenshots of every page. So let me see. I've already run the app, and if we go to localhost 3000 users index, so that's the home page showing number of users. Each user, I added a migration to add the images for each user, so that's there. If we click on a single user, it shows the profile page where I have the gallery option. I also had a description added for them. Then I have a sidebar showing other users which I send using the where not query. That's how I use it. I send in, and also I respond to HTML and JSON too. So if I do 4.json, should see everything else. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, clicking on the gallery link takes to individual photos, has a hyperlink to each user, has the time and the comment text, shows the number of comments to a little thing I send with the response. So that's there. Let's see. Paris Hilton goes to Paris Hilton's page. The same thing. Click on this. I have another route instead of the users index route. I also have the root route to show the home page. Where is it? Okay, yeah. Routes.rb, and there is, this is the page, and I have the root route set as the users index page. A particular difficult thing I faced when implementing this project was implementing the Ajax call to show the modal pop-ups I have right there. And I did not know I could not use raw URLs, but I had to use the Ruby syntax from the routing config to get the URLs that I'm trying to work on. I used a lot of aliases to have a user-friendly for a better URL for my routes. So there, and I did not utilize comments controller here because I fetch comments on the photos inside the photos controller itself. I could do it on the comments controller too because it's just an Ajax call. Other than that, the user controller has the index route and the show route. The show shows a single user, index shows all the users. I sort the users by first name and ascending. And I learned a couple of new things like using the order query, using the where not query, how to respond to JSON requests, and most importantly, inside the photos controller, I have a nested route right there wherein I include a relational model, the user, inside the comments by using include tag on the response. This, if I don't do this, it'll only include the ID and not include the user object. And yeah, that's it. And I have some migrations here which I forgot a few columns to add. I did that. I added date time. I had a description to user which I used. I didn't know I had to use sample there, so I used sample to randomly select out of these 6 descriptions and iterate over each user and assign a description to them. And yeah, the load data which is there. So all in all, it was a good experience. I knew I did a Rails API before this, but I know I did not have experience doing a front-end Rails app along with a back-end Rails framework. So it was a pretty good experience. I enjoyed doing this project. Yeah, thank you very much. I'll be uploading this to YouTube and submitting it to the Blackboard along with my assignment and the zip file code. Thank you very much.